Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to rotate any video using VLC Media Player in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have one video here. So you can see here it's not in the proper manner, so you can see. So in order to rotate this video using the VLC Media Player, you need to download and install the VLC Media Player Plusly if you have not downloaded and installed it. So just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application named as VLC and you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on the download VLC for your respective operating system. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Click on OK, click on next, click on next. Just select this full option, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish, click on continue. Now just drag the video on this player. So now just click on this tools and click on this effects and filters. And just click on this video effects and click on this geometry option, and now just enable this transform option. Now just select the different rotation mode. So for me I will select this rotate by 180 degree, so it's perfect for me. So you can select depending upon your needs, depending upon which rotation you want. Here tons of options here, and even if you want to manually rotate you can select and manually rotate depending upon your needs here. So I'll just use the transform here, and once your all settings are done, now you can see here save. Just click on save. Now click on close. Now once again click on this tools again, and now just click on this preference. Now click on this video option, and at the bottom you will see here all option. Just select this, just scroll down below, and now just click on this filter option and check whether this video transformation filter is selected or not. So if it is not selected, just select it, and after that click on save. And now just click on this media option again and click on this convert and save, and now add the video. So the video which you have added, select the video again, click on open and just click on this convert and save. So if you don't see a convert and save, just click on this down arrow icon and select this convert and save. And now you can see your profile option, so just click on this blank box and select your output video format. So I'll just select this first one, that is the MP4, and after that just click on this icon and just click on this video codec and click on this filters. Just scroll down below and just select this video transformation filter option and click on save. Once again click on this icon again and click on this audio codecs and just select this option, keep original audio track. Just select this option and click on save. So now all your settings are done, and at the bottom you can see a destination file where you want to save your converted video. So just select the folder, output folder. Let me select in the desktop, so I'll just rename it here video edited. Click on save. Now just click on start. Now you can see here it's processing, so you can see here. So have patience until the complete processing is done. So finally the process has been completed. Now you can see here the output video which we have rotated using the VLC Media Player. So let us open it. So now you can see this is the rotated video. So let me show the earlier video which is the original video. So you can see here, and let us open the rotated video again. So finally we have rotated our video using the VLC Media Player. So by using this method you can easily rotate any video using VLC Media Player in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.